what's up? Rebelbeatbox here with my 6th tutorial, going over clicks and clocks and how to move your tongue into the positions to do them. It's going to increase your tongue strength, and to be honest, gentlemen or ladies, your girlfriend's gonna love it. So let's go on here, and we're gonna go with the first initial one, the sound. So you're just going to be placing the tip of your tongue on the bridge of the roof of your mouth, behind the teeth, and not in the upper part, not in the roof of your mouth, just on the bridge. And you're going to be sucking down and kind of opening your mouth at the same time. That's basically all you're doing. You're just putting the tongue on the bridge of your mouth, and you're just sucking down, sucking air back into the back of your mouth. And it's gonna make your tongue plop down and make a clicking sound. Now, you can go ahead and make that a deeper by opening up your lips in a different way. That's the same exact movement, the same exact amount of air, just a different lip placement. You could also make the water drop sound that way by starting off and ending. Now there's different types. You have your metronome one, that's in the back, the regular. And you have the clock sound. That's going to be whole tongue against the roof of your mouth. But you're going to be placing the whole rim of your tongue along the entire bridge of your mouth, and the girth of your tongue against the roof. And you're going to be pulling down, and you're creating a suction along the whole entire bridge of the roof of your mouth, pulling down and keeping your mouth open. A lot of that can come from that click sound that you learned earlier, the metronome. You can help get a little bit of an extra pull back there for maybe a little bit of a higher pitched tone to it, if you would like. And you can also make clicking sounds with your lips, but it's more of the bubble. That can be by making like a mop sound. Put them all together. I like doing the clicking a lot. Like I said, you're going to do it for like 15 or 20 seconds, and you're just like, what the hell? It just hurts everywhere. But you just got to do it every day. It's repetition. Just like each one of these sounds. Every sound that you hear me make, I've spent well over 1,000 hours on each one of them. Well over 1,000 hours on each one of them. Takes practice, takes time. And some people are naturals, some people are not. But everyone can pronunciate. Everyone can make these sounds. There's no reason why everyone shouldn't have some ability to be able to beatbox. As long as you can have your metronome down, you can hold a rhythm. That's the only thing holding people back. If you don't have rhythm, you can't just go in any direction. Get your metronome up. Watch one of my previous videos on how to create your metronome. It's one of the clicks. Goes with your clicks and clacks and knocks. So, thanks again for watching my 6th tutorial on the clicks. Stay tuned for your next one. We're gonna go into something else, something wild. It's all wild. Like, share, subscribe, and impress your friends and families with your new skills, or annoy them. Most likely that at first.